Oh, is that a good yoke?
It's like the eggs this morning. Oh, this, hi Andy from Recreational Barrel Works with another one of our new products. It's the Yoke Pad for turning portaging discomfort into a little bit more portaging joy. So anyway, it's really a lovely soft padding cushion to go on your canoe yoke so that your shoulders are getting a little relief on the portage trail. And some of the cool features are it's got on the side that goes against the yoke, it's got a real grippy fabric, and so your yoke isn't sliding. It's got 3 sections of hook and loop, which help lock it down onto the yoke and keep it in place. But not only that, we've upped the quality of this by making the straps go all the way through the yoke. They go all the way through and under, so they're not just sewn into the seams and can pull out over time. They are in there solid. And then lastly, the little zipper can open access to the foam inside. So if you did want to adjust the foam in any way, beef it up or reduce it, or hide your $20 bill that you found on the trail, it's all possible in there. But just remember,
what?
just remember, there's a difference between finding it and taking it out of Mr. Callan's back pocket. So, anyway, let's pop this yoke pad on and show you how she goes. So, all 3 of those sections, just put them on as snug as possible. There we go. So now that's on there. Velcro is closed in all 3 sections, and popping it on, there we go. That's
cozy.
It's lovely. I want to do this forever. Okay, not forever, but you'll probably be getting a lot more distance out of your portage than before. So it's nice and comfy for your portaging joy. Bye.
Sold. Keep it on my canoe.
Maybe I'll go for a walkabout. It's so comfortable, I can't put it down.